To change the author of a blog post, you have to go under posts and go to the post that you want your author to be changed and click quick edit, and just select the author that you want to assign this post to and click update. And if you click view, and you will see here the author. If you want to change the way that the author name will be displayed here, you have to go under users and select the author and scroll down. In here under display name publicly, you just select one of those options and hit update profile. And if you go back to your post and refresh, you will see the name of the author has changed. If you want to change the actual name of the author, you have here the first name and the last name. If you wish to reassign the author for multiple posts, you just simply click the posts that you want the author to be changed, and here click edit and apply. And here you'll have the author, and you can change from the current author to a different author and click update. And as you see, the author of those posts were changed. If you want to learn more about WordPress, click the video on your screen.